Hey guys, Chris here and welcome back sa channel natin. Let's make a simple walkthrough regarding sa bagong project under Solana Network, which is the DFlow project. As you can see here, sa DFlow project na ang pinopromote niya is modern liquidity layer when it comes to trading. Aside that, sa fundamental states niya, may kita natin during the funding round or the investors, naka-raise siya ng $7.5 million. And meron pang undisclosed na funding last April 25, 2023 na $5.5 million. So ang kagandahan kay DFlow, aside po niyan, is we are too early. It means na sa phase 0 pa po tayo. Now, in order to participate, ang kailangan lang po dito is Gmail. And i-verify lang po natin. No need QYC. Okay? So, paano yan? Head over to your Solana wallets or Google account on dflow.net. Yes, so dadalhin po kayo yan sa kanilang website. After that, you can tap on or click Join Early Access in order to join this campaign. So, makikita nyo dito, phase 0 pa lang tayo. Now, to join, tap on Sign Up. Let's input the email na ating gagamitin para makasali or sa campaign na ito. After that is itong Continue. So, lalagay po natin. Ngayon na nailagay natin ang ating email, tap on Continue. And hihingin sa atin yung email or yung confirmation code na nasa email natin. So, head on to open our email. Input the confirmation code. And let's wait until na ma-verify yung code. After ma-verify yung confirmation code, dadalhin din yan sa loob. At ito yung itsura na sa loob. Now, there are two ways para makagain ng XP dito. Una, if marami kang referrals. Bakit? Every time na meron kang mapapa-referral under sa'yo, mapapa-sign up, you will gain a 250 XP. Other than that, pag wala ka namang referrals pero you have a money, so you should focus on depositing or liquidity. So, paano yan? So, tap on deposit. From tokens, switch on to address. Now, click on this to copy. Yan. Check, it means copy our address. Ngayon, you can deposit basta under Solana Network lang. Any kung saan man po yan nanggaling na network or na wallets. For example, I will deposit the use kind of USDT. So, automatically, we have to choose the Solana Network. Okay, para di po masayang yung pera natin. So, the minimum deposit po doon is minimum of $5. So, for example, I will put $5, then withdraw. After na ma-withdraw po natin at nag-deposit tayo, we have to wait up to 5 to 10 minutes para mag-appear dito sa DFlow. Ngayon, ang kagandahan yan, pag meron kang deposit, tapos meron ka pang invite kahit isa, you will earn a 5% XP araw-araw as a bonus. By the way guys, kung kailangan nyo po ng code, we have a code here na minimum of 20. First 20 only, lalagay lang po natin sa ating comment and sa ating video description. Deposit are your options instead of referrals. So here's are the condition. Pagkatapos natin mag-deposit, dapat wag nating i-withdraw until hindi matapos yung campaign or after the end of April. Kasi bakit? Pag withdraw natin na hindi pa natapos yung campaign, ang mangyari, we will lose the eligibility or the capacity na kumita ng additional XP araw-araw. So, ganyan lang po siya kadali. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo po, ilalagay ko po yung mga code dyan and yung para po makapagsimula na po tayo. For more info, you can follow our social media channel and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.